Full disclaimer before I even start this video up, I am aware that my lace is crusty, that I applied too much glue, and that I really didn't do this right. But the whole point is full transparency that I'm not the best at this, and I am working to learn to get better. So I'll be able to look back on this video in the future once I get this shit figured out and feel proud of how far that I've come. So we are all agreeing that you are not going to drag me. Nobody's coming for me in the comments, but you will leave helpful tips if you have them. So now that I've gotten that out of the way, let's get into the video.
No, I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a wig install. Now, let's be very clear. I am a 100% self-taught, watch YouTube videos, trial and error, figured it out person when it comes to wigs, making wigs, installing wigs. Now typically I use the Got To Be Free spray to lay down my lace, and I have that method like beautiful, perfect. I know how to do it. She looks great almost every time. Now when it comes to lace glue, not so much. That is new territory for me, and I'm very cautious of my edges, okay? So I tend to not do it very often, and if you don't practice, you don't get better, etc., etc. But every once in a while, I just get the urge to use my bold hold, and this was one of those times. So that's what this video is. It is not a tutorial. I'm not trying to teach you how to like perfectly melt your lace, because I'm not very good at it, to be completely honest. So full transparency, 4K does not lie. I'm gonna zoom in real quick so you can see what I'm working with. This is what I mean. I'm not perfect, okay? She's a little glistening. I still have learning to do. I'm completely okay with that. I'm not trying to portray myself as some freaking wig master, Ivy Powell wannabe. You know what? I just wanted to put a wig on this week, and I decided to film it. So that's what this is. So keep an open mind. Don't come for me in the comments. I'll probably block you if you do. Not that anybody does that. My subscribers are awesome. That's one thing that I can say. I don't deal with a lot of BS, but I'm also not like super huge on YouTube, so that could, you know. And then in case anyone is curious about this hair, I don't have specific details. I'm sorry. This is a really old wig. This wig is going on 2-3 years old. The bundles are from a friend of mine that used to sell hair but no longer does. And then I got the 4x4 lace closure from Beauty Forever. I'm about 95% sure I got this closure from Beauty Forever. I think that's everything I need to tell y'all. Yeah, if there's anything with wigs that you guys struggle with, or tips that you have for me, if you see me doing something and you're like, ooh, girl, leave it in the comments. I am open. I love to grow. I love to learn. And I am eventually going to get this glue method thing down, okay? Eventually, we're going to get there. Either way, even if it's a hot mess, even if I use too much glue, even if she turned white and I had to clean it up a bunch of times, whatever. Anyway, I hope that you guys can still enjoy my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you actually like it. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding the kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When